How to reset Google Chrome settings to default settings in Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, let's go and check on the Google Chrome. Now the Google Chrome looks something like this over here as we have been using it. Now in order to reset it to its default setting, what you have to do is just make a long press on Google Chrome and then tap on app info. Now as you tap on app info, you can see the option of clear data at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on that and then tap on clear cache, then tap on OK. Then tap on manage space again and you can see that you can free up space, you can manage, or you can clear all data. So just tap on clear all data and tap on OK. And then now you can just go to the Google Chrome option over here. And now it will just welcome you to the Chrome, and that's how you can reset the Google Chrome settings to default settings in Android. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today. See you next time.